Um, Eden, go ahead, please. Yeah. What are our 5 learning objectives for logarithmic functions? Thank you.
Convert from logarithmic to exponential form, convert from exponential to logarithmic form, evaluate logarithms, use non-logarithms, and use natural logarithms.
Thank you. Right. So basically for 4.3, it's converting, right, from one form, that's exponential form, to the other, logarithmic form, right? Or the other way around, from logarithm to exponential. What else? How to use our TI-84 and even our Desmos calculator to consider different kinds of logs. There are 3 different kinds of logs, right? The log with a base, right? The common log, that's the log without a base, and the ln, or what we call the natural logarithm. Okay, so what are the differences in those 3 different types of logarithms, and how do we use a calculator for such? Okay, but for now, let's see first some conversions in here. Let's try to do this one first. What is 4 to the negative 2 power on your calculator? Verify. Is that equal to actually 1 over 16? Go ahead and verify that on your calculator, guys. 4, right? The caret up, right? It's beside or below the clear button, right? And then put in what? Negative 2 power, right? If you want to convert into fraction, press math and 1, enter. Did you get 1 over 16, guys? Get it? Okay. Now, how do we convert this to logarithm, right? So the logarithm for such is as follows. Ready? This can now be written as follows. Logarithm, okay, whatever the base number in here is, that will be the subscript in here, right? So this logarithm, base 4, that is your base. Okay. And then after that, you put in here the answer for such, which is what? 1 over 16. And that is equal to, well, whatever the exponent in here is for the exponential, that'll be the answer on your logarithm. Okay? And that's actually read as follows. Logarithm base 4 of 1 over 16 is equal to negative 2. Okay, guys? Right. Now, how do we put it in Desmos in this case, right? So let's go to our Desmos and plug it in here. Okay, so how do we do that? Click on the functions. You get it? Okay. See these functions in here? Okay. Scroll down until you see log. It's basically under the calculus group of tools, right? So check on the calculus group of tools. There are 3 different logs in there. There's the ln, that's natural log. There's the log without a base, that's the common log. And that's the log with a base. So in this case, I'm going to use the log with a base, right? As a subscript, I'm going to put 4. Okay. And then inside the parentheses, I'm going to put 1 over 16. Get it, guys? Did we get the same answer? Yes, we did. Right? So that means, again, that's read as what? Log base 4 of 1 over 16 is equal to negative 2. Get it, guys? Okay. Please do try this one on your Desmos calculator. Okay. What is now? Log base 5 of 125 equal to. And while you're doing that on your Desmos calculator, let me show you how to do that one as well on a TI-84 calculator, okay? So how do you do that in here? Press math, okay? After that, press, let's see. After you press math, press up until you see log base. That's A, log base. Okay, click on that log base. On the subscript, you put in 5. And inside parentheses, you put in 125 and press enter. Okay? So, again, press math, press up until you see log base. That's a log base. Actually, the double up, and then plug in your function. Okay? What answer do you get? 3. Very good. That's correct. 3. Questions, guys? Questions? Now, well, this time we're doing the reverse, right? You are now given a log expression. What's that going to be in its exponential? Anyone? What's that going to be on your exponential? Anyone? 5. Very good, right? That's the base number 5. Raise now that one to what? 3rd power. Very good. Now, is that equal to 125? Yes, it is, right? For you to verify that. Are we good? Okay, let's now generalize, okay? Now, if we have A as a base number, B as an exponent, and C as an answer for the exponential, how do we convert that one into its log form or logarithmic form? So what will this be? Logarithm. Okay, what's the subscript or what's the base for such? Anyone? A. Very good, Madeline. Right. What's inside parenthesis with the base A?
C.
C. Very good. Right. Is equal to the exponent, which is always B. Right. So that is the generalization. Right. And I would put in here double arrow. Okay. Yeah. That means log base A of C is equal to B can be written as A to the B power is equal to C. Are we good, guys? Let's deal with the other two logs, right? We have in here the common logarithm, right? As you may notice, a common logarithm has no base at all, right? Again, it has no base, right? So what is log 1 over 100, okay? So in your calculator, do this one, right? Go to functions, again, go to the calculus group of functions. And in here, just basically use the log without a base. Okay? Actually, if it has no base, you can just type it in. LOG. Are we good? Right? Or just type it in. Good. In parentheses, we're going to put what? 1 over 100. Okay? And what's our answer for such? What's log of 1 over 100? Common log. Sigalai? What you got? Log 1 over 100, common base, common log, negative 2. Get it? Get it, guys? So in here, this is what? Negative 2. Once again, when you say common log, always it's base 10. So again, if it has no base, automatic it's base 10. Are we good? So I'm going to put in here base 10. Okay. Now, how do we convert that one into exponential? Anyone? Let's convert it to exponential form. What's that going to be? Anna? 10 to what power? Negative 2 is equal to? 1 over 100. Okay. And again, you can verify that one on your calculators. Okay? Yeah. Last one is what we call our natural log. ln. Right? If you see ln, that's natural log, right? Let's plug this in your calculator first. What's ln? E to the 5th power. Okay? So in here, you can just type it in again. ln, all right? Parenthesis, e, okay? Shift 6, 5th power. What did you get as an answer, guys? Eva? 5. Get it? So again, when you say ln e to the 5th power, automatic, that's 5, right? Once again, when you say ln or natural log, always base e. So when you say ln m, that can be written as log base e of m. So that means when you say ln e to the fifth, you can just write this one as what? Log base e of e to the fifth power is equal to 5. Okay? Are we good? Again, ln automatic is log base e. Okay? Now, how do we convert that one into exponential? What's that gonna be? Anyone? What's the base number here? E. Very good, right? Thank you. What's the exponent? 5. Very good. That's correct. Is equal to what's inside in here, right? Which is just e to the 5. Right? So again, e to the fifth power is equal to itself. E to the fifth power, okay?